Like, oh, this is the friend who does this. I'm going through to see like what content they want. Just finished Be Real. Candice is leaving us. Where is she going? Like they have a blow dryer here. I'm just obsessed with all of this content, and what I want to do immediately is unpack and put everything on the shelves. They also give you this little tote bag, which is really cute. I just filmed some necessary stuff just to like have it. I'm going through the Mizani content because that is who I'm blessed enough to work with while I'm here. So I'm going through to see like what content they want before and after. That way I can create a checklist of things that I need to make. I really should have did this when I was back home, but life is a little bit crazy. So I'm looking at the contract now. That's pretty much it, what I'm doing right now. The aesthetic of this place it's really giving. It's really stunning. It's everything. I got a stain on my dress. It's the Nuri and Pretty Lavish collection. This is a perfect place to wear it. The stain's literally in the crotch, but maybe I can film some content tomorrow morning. Yeah, while the architecture when you look up is so pretty. Then we have dinner at 8:15, I think, and it's 5:30. This is just Beyonce while we work, shall we? Thought I should turn the camera on. We got some outdoor content in the shower. Now I filmed a little bit of like transition, but the sun is gonna be gone by the time like I need to do closing shots. So I'm gonna do like oil closing shots tomorrow and like scalp stuff tomorrow. But the hair has to be done for dinner tonight. The hair has to be done at dinner tonight. I'm watching Adrienne Bailon Houghton. Her YouTube channel is absolutely everything. Can you get into this view? Like just how stunning. Just sitting here doing my hair, and it's just so great. I don't think I'll be able to do a makeup look just because if I show you the lights behind me when they're turned on, it's definitely like moody orange lighting. This is kind of perfect, but I won't be doing my hair in time to do makeup. My skin right now, I'm only wearing Case Skin and like Refi, that like glowy thing. Okay, you know we love Aaliyah's face, and she talked about it, so I had to try it, of course, because I have a problem when I went to Sephora like 3 times before this trip. Anyways, I'll catch you later. I think I'm gonna just do 2 fun buns and like maybe twist in the front. I'm just happy my curls are still alive. They're still not curling all the way like I would like, but you know they're still alive. My silk press was there, okay? She was there for like a month. So yeah, the other girls are shooting content right now too. I just told them I'm still racing the light, so if they want to come over, feel free. My room and Candice, what I've realized, the sun sets on this side because Charnel said the sun's setting on her side because her side is sunny. But the sky is still so pretty and blue. Someone's playing Beyonce and it's not me. I think it's next door. I thought it was Candice because she's next door to me, but it's not her. If there's one thing I'm gonna do, is investigate who's playing Beyonce so I can dance with you. I think it's a neighbor. I hear it again. Listen. Maybe they turned it down. Maybe they're inside now. Interesting. But the room is a vibe at night. It's doing a trippy thing on the camera, but it's a vibe at night. Moving to the bathroom.
Stop singing!
Always a winner. I'm safe, and now I'm about to lay in bed. I'm about to finish watching Shrek in bed. Dinner was nice. It was Giotano's. The food was good. Heartwood steak was, both of the steaks were immaculate. There are 2 different types of steaks, so it's like you really can't compare, but I'm not gonna be on here long because these lines might give you a headache. It's so crazy to be in a king size bed all by yourself. And you see the way that door is. Let's close that. I did my makeup a certain way today and it came out so pretty. I want to try it again. It's literally all the glowy stuff. I look like a big baby, but she is comfortable. Okay, the girl is in town, Miss Flo, so you know you gotta be comfy. Wait, before I go, I just remember something. This is kind of like a solo trip, but a girl's trip, but it's funny because it feels like a solo trip because I'm in the room by myself, which feels weird. Like I'm always like, things just feel better when Jared's in the room, especially since I have a private pool area. Like, what am I doing soon by myself? What am I doing? I do like that bench over there. Like, this room is giving vibes. Like, if you have a bedroom at home and you want to style it, like put a bed here, put a couch over there to work. And I love how like the side tables are built into the wall. Really cool. All right. Good night. I'm journaling Shrek. It's giving relaxation. No thank you. No thank you. Good morning. It is a new day. I already wrote in my grateful journal today. I'm grateful for my life. Wait, today's the 4th. I wrote today's the 5th. Y'all, what day is it? Is today not? Wow, that means I messed up yesterday. Okay, how many days wrong now? I'm grateful for my life. I'm blessed to live this life. I'm blessed to live this beautiful life God has blessed me with. Is what I put. The girls and I are gonna go meet for breakfast. Outside is beautiful. Right now, I realize like in the morning is when I get the most sun, so I really need to probably get out there, shoot some content right now. So I'm gonna film a quick get ready with me, and then I'm gonna do beauty content. It's me shooting content, all of that, and I'm running late, so let's just... Sharno already posted something that was like, oh, this is the friend who does this. This is the friend who does this. I'm the late friend. Okay, I got content to film. We're all doing content. I'm gonna put my watch on. Do I need my watch? No, I don't. Put in here. Okay, let's hook this on here because we do not need to lose this again. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's run off. My little Canon is overheating. Oh, I locked it. Okay, let's go. I don't think I'm gonna be burning up in this outfit. I really think so. Okay. Chanel is the first to be seated. Candice is on the way. She's probably already there. This is really cute for content in the morning. Okay. Ooh, the music is musicking. Like I said, they're here already. But they're cute. Hi! We made it. I decided to do like a puffy hairstyle. It's really cute. Because ain't no way. How's it taste so far?
Delicious.
It matches your green juice. Me babysitting my drink. Is Charno babysitting her drink? No, that's her second glass. Let's try this. Let's try it, see how it tastes. guys want to try it? Yeah. It's like a homemade vanilla type of thing. Like, it's not the consistency of ice cream. We now made it to this area, so we're shooting content. There's some BTS, got Charnel over here, candies. Yes, squat baby, get it. My thighs are sweating, but it's giving. Because if this falls in place, bays right here and propped up. Let's see. Okay, got it. The girls are over there. Girling. Why is my thing so yellow? Espresso martini. Charnel got the same thing. We're matching the drinks. Focus on her face, camera. Focus on her face, not her drink. Then we have candies. She got a Miami Vice. Correction, it's
Miami
not.
night.
It's a. That's what it is. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Cheers. Cheers. Wow, it really is. Love some tahini. I shall not die. We are now leaving Arca. Charnel on her shimmy, candies.
They're losing me.
On the gimme gimme. And then we're out of here. We just finished Be Real. Wait, where's my Be Real? There it is. We just finished Be Real. Candy, are you on the road? Candice is leaving us. Where is she going? We're leaving.
I've done this in literally everything.
I do it in Be Real. I do it in everything. It's really foggy. But we move. No. I hope you enjoy this fog. It's giving humidity. But it's cute. Oh my gosh. Hello, I'm back home ending the Mexico vlog here. The girls trip was a success. I'm now texting the girls. I'm in the office, getting back to work. The house, we're still working on the house, but the floors are absolutely beautiful, completely done. Next up is just like installing fans and stuff, so stay tuned. I feel like I hopefully get this vlog up. There's so much stuff I wanted to get up for the year. I realized I've been traveling a lot this year. So instead of the year feeling like 1 year, there's like 4 months left, it feels like it's only been like 5-6 months of the year, and I feel like we only have like 1 month left. That's how it feels. It doesn't even feel like 12 months in a year. Like what? This year flew by. I just need to make it to Australia and then I'm good. Then we can start a family. All right, now this is going off in a tangent. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I will talk to you later. Bye. Nina's skinny, wearing black girl sunscreen.